Well, Austin, you've been working hard. Let's see if you can reach in there and... Woo, boy! Nickel Bobs. Shee! Let's take a look at what we got. Interior's all back together, but boy, oh boy. Look at that mammoth right there. 88 millimeters of Hellfire. Big old fat turbine on this side that you can't see, but that's the man right there. Robert Young, Forced Performance, hooked us up. Getting ready to load up, go to test and tune, and try it out. Just a dab to do you. Little motion. There it is. Here we are at Emerald Coast Dragway today for the SoCo275. We're going to be running the factory street class today, 1,000 to win race. The SoCo275 is eventually going to grow into an all clocks on event. Couldn't be more excited about it. But for today, I'm going to be in the factory street class again. This is that no trans brake class that we ran before. It's going to be foot brake only for me today. But like I said, it is 1,000 to win, heads up, first one to the finish type of race. And we're going to see what we can do. Let's go. These people don't know it, but this is my favorite part of race day. Having the whole fam, the whole group sitting around. That's what I like to see the most. But anyway, qualifying number 2 coming up. We didn't make last night's qualifier number 1. We got too busy kind of tying up some loose ends on the truck in order to get here. But yes, qualifier number 2, our first shakedown pass of the day is coming up. Let's talk a little bit about what we got going on. So since this turbo is supposed to make so much more power, we don't want to go out there full send. We're going to go out there with about 70% duty cycle. We expect that to make, just shooting from the hip, we expect that to make in the 20-pound range, maybe low 20s. But we want to do that before we send her all the way up there in the full pound, 28-pound-ish range. So first shakedown for us is going to be low power. And if everything looks good, number 2 is going to be low power. So that's how we're going to go. We're getting lined up. I'm going to go throw my pants on, get my driving jacket out, and we're headed to the lanes for qualifying round number 2, our first shakedown pass of the day.
That turbo is crazy.
Folks, that felt all right. It was definitely a little slow, a little lazy. And if everything checks out, we're going to add more power, baby. Hey, there goes Austin. So, all right, so we definitely made less boost and it still went 104. So as long as the data log's happy and the fuel correction isn't too far off, we're gonna add more power, baby, because low power still running 104 is really good. Now, obviously, we're expecting the 60 foot to be slow. It was at 1.8, but I never really got on the 2-step. I think I might have pulled too much timing out. We're gonna take a look at that, get some things tweaked and happier, and I don't know, it's hardly competitive in the class, but we're here for the mile an hour, and 104 on low power is a good start. Let's go. Okay, so I know you can't see anything there, but I'm pulling the data log from that pass, and everything basically went just about as I expected. We left on 2 pounds of boost. That is very slow, but we kind of knew that. We knew that with the foot brake, it's very difficult to stage this thing and make enough boost to be the fast in the 140, 60 foots like we want. you know, that's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Can't do anything about it. All we can try to do is get a little bit better and go from there. But anyway, the big news, what did the big turbo do down track? Well, I already told you guys that it went 104 mile an hour. So it went 104 mile an hour at only 22 pounds of boost. Typically, we run significantly more boost than that, up in the 28 pound range area. And, you know, been struggling a little harder to get that much power. So this at lower boost almost matched our personal best. So we're gonna go ahead and crank all the boost back in it. Nothing in this data log looks bad. I'm not scared of anything that it's got going on. I think that we're in good shape. I sent Jordan I called him and left him a message. He won't answer me. I thought he was my podna. Thought he would answer, but he didn't. But anyway, I left Jordan a message. Nothing here looks out of shape. We're gonna go from low power to mo power and see what we can do. Got plenty of ice. That way, when it comes time for eliminations, we can kick their ice. All right, here we go. Round number 2. So we added all the boost back in it. We are back on 100% duty cycle here, and I actually got a little spicy, did something my tuner told me not to do, and I added some timing. So we're gonna see what that does. What do you think, Austin?
Time to party, buddy.
That's the guy that we got to race first round. I kind of gave him the hit just to play with him a little bit, so I don't know if I'm going to get past him first round. I'm going to have to try a little harder though, that's for sure. Let's see what this time slip says. So it went the same, 104. I don't know, I was hoping for more there. That's not very good. 60 foot worse and only 104. I don't know. We have to check that out.
Well, you said you was gonna turn it up. You turned it up.
I don't know, it didn't go any faster.
It looked like you did a whole lot better.
104, went the same.
Really, because it was, when you come by, I couldn't keep up with it.
Same, 104.
104?
Kind of concerned about that.
Yeah.
We're about to find out what happened.
Yeah.
I went done a shift at the traps, and I turned it 7,400. Holy crap!
Wow.
Stock 5.3. It was freaking lazy all the way through first gear. Boost came on a lot slower for whatever reason.
So is it a done deal?
It's a done deal.
Oh, we're gonna make some power now.
So this was under the truck. It was keyed in a configuration where it would apply pressure to the bottom side of the wastegate.
Got it.
Which opens the thing. That makes you make less boost. That's
all right.
13 pound springs in there. It opens them at 13 pounds. That's how you make 13 pounds boost. Well, I just eliminated that piece from the equation. So there's nothing on the open side of the wastegate. Everything is on the top, pushing it closed. It's in prayers. You know, it's calculated risk. It's just not my fault that I'm bad at math. All right, Greg, let me tell you a little bit. What?
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you a little bit what we got going on right here.
Yes, sir. Talk to him.
So I wanted to go a little bit faster, right? Add more boost, go faster, right?
Send it.
Well, that's what I did. I pulled the bottom line off the wastegate and kept all the pressure to the dome. So we're pinning the gate. We're going to see how much boost it'll make, and let's go.
Kaboom tune, baby.
Super freaking frustrating to have to deal with this problem again. I don't know. The only thing we can come up with is that there's something in the converter that's broken, the sprag. It's something that we just got back for them. I don't know if the lockup got installed improperly. Something's going on, so we're going to have to pull that out and get it back to them and see what we can do to fix this problem. So I've already been on the phone with SoCo. I called up Montana and I told him, I said, hey man, this is what's going on. This is what it's happened. You know, this is what I'm looking at. What do you think? And he said, no problem. We'll see you Tuesday. We'll have it. We'll get something figured out for you. So that is the plus with SoCo. Those guys always have my back. It's a little bit aggravating to have another issue with their converter, but it makes up for it. And this is why you choose good local supportive companies like those guys that have your back, that are ready to help you, ready to work on it, ready to get the next change, do whatever they need to do to make it right. And so that's a huge testament to them. The trans is doing flawless itself. We've just got to get this converter program figured out so we can actually do some freaking stuff. We can apply 36 pounds down track without issues. We're going to do some stuff, I'm telling you. But just got to get there. Got to get these pieces together. So right here, Austin is moving on to round number 2, and he actually picks up Jared, our buddy in the Fox body, for round 2 elims. Let's get it.
All right, 570, 570, take lane 570.
got him. Well, that's gonna be a round 2 win for Austin right there. Woo, that was a good one. My dude, bye to the finals. Let's go. If it doesn't happen for me, it'll happen for you.
Yeah, couldn't happen any better, dude.
Dude, you know, okay, so this is why this is happening. You've helped me so much this week. Like, my appreciation cannot be understated. And this is it coming to fruition.
Oh, yeah.
This is why you put in the work. It doesn't always have to happen the first time around. You put in work, you keep digging, things happen if you get out and race anyway. Like, Austin and I both are a little outgunned in this class, but if you just freaking race,
Just show up.
if you just do things, if you do ordinary things the right way every time, you can find yourself in the finals of a big ass race. Let's go.
Let's get it.
All right, so here we are with Austin. He gets his bye run to the finals. We're gonna bring him back around here. I think he plans on just idling off here, not doing anything crazy, because we're coming right back. Here we go, Factory Street Finals. We got the Pontiac over here with a big block in it, a lot of nitrous, and Austin over here. All right, go fast, don't suck. That dude right there is as good as they get. That is one of the nicest people you'll ever meet on this planet. He'll go out of his way to do anything for anybody. Let's let that come to fruition right here. Going to the finals is a treat. But let's turn on a freaking win light, baby. Let's go.
Here we go. Austin made it to the finals, buddy. This is it. This is for all the beans.
Dang, went out on a red light. God damn. My buddy though, making it to the finals. He knew he had to cut the tree down to get a chance there, and he tried. I bet that was had some double O's in that light.
So sad.
But oh well, that's the way she goes. All right, well, so here we are, end of the night. The truck did drive its way back on the trailer. Wasn't the result we wanted. We're gonna have to fix the converter. We got a lot of work to do, but that's usual. We're used to that. But in other news, my boy Austin, tell me about it. Made it to the finals.
Final round.
How?
That Pontiac car had, you said, like it had like a 502.
Yeah, big block car.
Yeah, some big block car. I mean, we're on a stock blower bolt-on car. So I mean, it was fun though. We had a good time. We went rounds. That's all. That's all I asked for.
I mean, we come here to race and we got to do that.
Yeah. So anytime you show up and you can go rounds and just enjoy the day with your friends and family, man.
That's right. We went out to a fast car. You did go red, but how red was it? It wasn't very red.
I cut a 02 on him.
So 200s. 200s red. Dang.
So I mean. Man,
I was yelling go. I was like, go! Yeah. Oh no, red! Dang it! Oh shit!
I knew he had me covered. You know, the car's fast. People were saying it ran 580s. That's not even on our same ballpark as us.
Right.
So
we're happy about 680s.
I knew I had to do something. I was hoping maybe I could get the jump on him. You know, and he'd see me leap out in front of him.
Yeah, you certainly couldn't give him anything.
No, not at all. So
shoot, man, I couldn't be more happy, more proud. My partner been helping me all week. Turn around. All he did was put the spit shine on his and go to the finals with it. But sheesh. Anyway, hey pal, appreciate you. Glad you got to go to the finals, man.
Anytime, buddy.
So,
anytime.
All right, sign the video out. You didn't do it very good last time. Do better.
Well, I can't say I'm digging.
You just say I'm Austin. You want to say something.
I'm Austin. Y'all have a good night and keep hustling.
And I'm Digging Z71. My name is Dylan. Thanks for watching. As always, keep digging. We'll see you next time.